with the cameras?
The funniest home video? Rieger said he was getting away so it wouldn't bounce back and get him.
All right, you do the same. Come on, come
I
over
don't
this
think
way.
it's going to break.
Yeah, come over. Yeah.
Somebody put it too far down.
Plastic bottle.
Here, John, we go. How about it, John?
See, it's hitting down here.
Oh, all right.
I'm gonna raise it up a little.
Third try, right?
Sometimes it takes several tries.
Is the boat going to run better than this, John? I mean,
No, probably not.
You ready?
Yeah. Haul off and hit it, girl.
All right, go for it.
It's a trick bottle. Trick bottle.
You're going to get...
John got sprinkled.
That's all.
Should have done. Should have done the metal.